Imagine making thousands of dollars every single month with a YouTube channel, without showing your face, recording any videos, or needing any prior experience. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Some creators are earning thousands of dollars every day using a simple strategy called YouTube automation. Fire in today's video. I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can do the same, even if you're starting from scratch. No skills, no problem. Even a small kid could follow this tutorial and create a successful channel. And here's the kicker. The niche I'll reveal today is one of the hottest, most viral niches on YouTube right now: horror AI stories. People are hooked on chilling, creepy, and mysterious short stories, and I'll show you how to create them using AI tools that do most of the work for you. People love watching short horror stories. These videos are highly engaging, keeping viewers hooked till the very end. And you know what that means? Higher audience retention, faster growth, and the potential to go viral in no time. So let's start with creating a new channel. Alright, let me show you how to create your YouTube channel. Trust me, this is going to be super simple, and we're going to use AI tools for most of the process. It's all part of AI automation. So just follow the steps I'm performing on the screen, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Step 1. Head over to YouTube and sign in with your Gmail account. Once you're signed in, click on Create a Channel. Now, here's the fun part. We'll get creative with the help of ChatGPT to come up with a unique channel name. You can choose any niche or vibe you want, and ChatGPT will generate tons of cool name ideas for you. For example, if you're going for horror AI stories, you can ask it for spooky and intriguing names. Next, let's design your channel's logo. Don't worry, no design skills are needed. We'll use Leonardo AI to create the perfect logo. First, we'll ask ChatGPT for an image prompt for the logo. Something like, create a dark and mysterious logo with a haunted forest and glowing text. Once we have the prompt, we'll paste it into Leonardo AI and let it work its magic. And just like that, you'll have a professional-looking logo in minutes. And there's more. We'll even use ChatGPT to write your channel description. Simply ask it for a short, engaging description that matches your niche, and it'll give you something ready to copy and paste into your channel settings. How easy is that? So that's our first step, setting up your channel with a name, logo, and description, all powered by AI. Keep following me, because this is just the beginning of our AI automation journey. The best part? It's so simple that anyone can do it. Let's move on to the next step and start creating your content. At the very first, head over to ChatGPT. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've provided all the prompt files in the description below. So all you have to do is copy them and follow me step by step. Today, we're going to create something amazing. A consistent character-driven story where all our characters will stay the same throughout every scene. Sounds exciting, right? Trust me, you're about to see the magic in action. Let's start with prompt 1, which lays the foundation of our story. This is where we set up the theme, genre, and overall tone. It's like building the skeleton of your story before we bring it to life. Once that's done, we move on to prompt 2, which is all about the characters. This step ensures we create detailed descriptions, everything from their facial features to their personality traits. These characters will be consistent across every scene, making your story feel professional and cohesive. Now, let's dive in and create a masterpiece together. Remember, the prompts are in the description, so copy them, tweak as needed, and watch the magic happen. Once we have our blueprint, now head over directly to Microsoft Clipchamp. Just to let you know, this video isn't sponsored. It's all my choice. The reason I chose this editor is because it's watermark free, and it even provides free AI voices for your videos, all for free. So trust me, it's totally worth it. Now, just follow the steps I'm performing on the screen, and we'll get everything set up in no time. Now it's time to generate our consistent characters. We'll be using Leonardo AI for this. This is an important step, so make sure to concentrate and follow along closely. Basically, at the very first, you'll need to copy the Scene 1 description and then the character description. This will be our structure, so it's key to keep the character description constant throughout. I'll show you how to do this for Scene 1, and from there, We'll repeat the same process for each and every scene to maintain consistency. Stay tuned, and let's get these characters ready. Now, all you need to do is choose the image that stands out to you the most. Once you've selected it, simply download it, and then add it to the scene. That's it. It's really as simple as it sounds, and it's a smooth process that's going to make your scene come together perfectly. Let's move on and keep building from here. I'll fast forward the process. Well, our steps will be all same for all scenes. Till then, you can do one thing, which is highly important. Subscribe to our channel, because soon, I'm going to reveal all the mind-blowing strategies and ways to earn plenty of bucks this year. If you're a teen, then this channel is a jackpot for you. And even if you're someone looking for a way or a roadmap to start earning, our channel can be a goldmine for you. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Well, to access all the prompts, just click on the link below in the description. It's for my newsletter. And don't forget to enter your Gmail and subscribe, because not just on YouTube, but I provide a lot of secret strategies and mind-blowing stuff through newsletters too. Newsletters are the best way to deliver all my important million-dollar tips to you. And it's all for free. Once you enter your email, that's when you'll be able to access the prompts. And trust me, it's totally worth it. Well, this is just the basic and easiest foundation I'm showing you. Now, it's your turn to upgrade and take it to the next level with your extra creativity. You can even choose various genres, not just horror, but crime, thriller, mystery, and so many more. Just make sure to maintain consistency for 90 days. And mark my words, you'll absolutely make it in no time. In fact, just 30 days of consistency is enough to shock you with the results. Now comes the finishing part. After creating the basic structure, it's time to take it to the next level and make it even sharper and more awesome. We'll add various effects to enhance the visual appeal. And for the captions, we'll make sure they're clear and engaging. Captions are a key element to keep your audience hooked and help with accessibility. Don't forget about the background music. Using the YouTube audio library ensures you won't run into any copyright issues. You can also ask ChatGPT for music suggestions to set the right mood. And the reason I love this editor is the amazing auto captions and voiceover features. It makes everything so much easier and looks great. Now let's head to the YouTube audio library. Since my genre is horror, I'll mostly choose mysterious and horror-themed background music that suits my video perfectly. This will really set the tone and enhance the overall atmosphere of the story. Now, let's add the last thing, captions. Captions play a vital role in capturing audience retention. So make sure to make the text interesting and engaging. Keep it awesome, and it'll really help keep your viewers hooked throughout the video. Now, finally, our video is done. Let's export it and see how the final outcome looks. I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
Lily found an old doll in her attic. But this wasn't an ordinary doll. It whispered her name at night. That night, Lily heard a soft voice. Lily, I'm lonely. She thought it was her imagination, until the whispers got louder. Throw it away, Mia said. That doll looks cursed. But Lily couldn't. The doll's whispers felt alive. The next day, the doll wasn't where Lily had left it. Its head turned slightly and Lily froze. That night, Lily woke up gasping. The doll was on her chest. It screamed, "Now you're mine." The next morning, Lily was gone. But the doll was still there, waiting for its next owner.
All right, creators, we've reached the final step. Your story is complete. And now it's time to, all right, creators, we've reached the final step. Your story is complete. And now it's time to bring it to life on YouTube. The process is super simple. Just upload your masterpiece. You've done all the hard work of creating something unique and impactful. And now, the world is waiting to see it. But here's the thing. What you've created so far is just the foundation. This is your starting point, your launch pad. The real magic begins when you start experimenting and adding your unique flavor. Don't be afraid to tweak your content, refine your style, or even change your niche entirely if it feels right. Your creativity is your superpower. It's what will make you stand out in a sea of content. Now, let's talk about the ultimate goal. If you're aiming for 10 million views in just 90 days, let me give you the secret sauce. Consistency. Yes, consistency is your best friend. Upload regularly for the next 90 days without fail. Don't overthink every little detail. Focus on showing up and putting your content out there. Trust me, after just 30 days of staying consistent, you'll be shocked by the results. Those first few videos might not blow up immediately, but as the algorithm starts to pick up on your effort and commitment, you'll notice a shift. Your audience will grow, your views will increase, and you'll gain momentum like never before. What's even better? This niche is insanely undercompetitive. That means you're stepping into a space with massive potential and less competition compared to other popular niches. The opportunity is wide open for you to dominate. All it takes is your willingness to commit and consistently deliver quality content. Trust the process, put in the work, and watch the magic happen. When those views start rolling in, don't forget to drop a thank you in the comment section because I'm rooting for your success every step of the way. Now, let me take a moment to share why I've designed this content the way I have. I wanted to simplify the entire process for you. Instead of dragging it out with hours of unnecessary information, I've boiled everything down into a few minutes. My goal is to save you time, energy, and confusion so you can focus on what really matters, taking action. And here's the best part, this is just the beginning. If you thought this was helpful, wait until you see what's coming next. I have so many game-changing courses, strategies, and tips lined up to help you achieve your financial and creative goals. From unique content ideas to strategies for scaling your channel and making money online, I'm going to walk you through every step of the journey. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss the mind-blowing content I'm about to share. The strategies I'll be covering can completely transform your journey as a creator and take your channel to the next level. Now, it's your time to shine. Go upload that story. Start your 90-day journey and make it unforgettable. The clock is ticking and your audience is out there waiting. You've got this. Bring it to life on YouTube. The process is super simple. Just upload your masterpiece. But let me tell you, this is only the foundation. The real magic happens when you let your creativity flow. Experiment, refine, and even switch niches if you feel like it. Your creativity is the secret sauce to making your content stand out. Now, listen closely. If your goal is 10 million views in just 90 days, consistency is non-negotiable. Upload regularly for the next 90 days. Mark my words, after just 30 days, the results will shock you. This niche is insanely undercompetitive, meaning the opportunity is wide open for you to dominate. So trust the process, put in the work, and thank me later in the comment section when those views roll in. I've done my best to simplify this for you in just a few minutes, cutting straight to the point instead of dragging it out for hours. And guess what? This is just the beginning. More game-changing courses, strategies, and tips to make money are already on the way. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I'm about to drop some mind-blowing content you won't want to miss.